What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we are going to install a couple different parts. First off, starting with this, oh my goodness, JNA Performance front lip. It's just a polycarbonate front lip, and then I'm planning on doing down the road an Airflow metal, or really not sure what it's made of, but I believe it's metal front splitter underneath this. So that should mix with this pretty well and kind of protect this because these are known to break. And then after that, we will be putting on a different front grille. And then if we have time today, which we might not, I'd also like to see if my car has one of these or does not have one of these. And if it doesn't, we'll be putting in the WRX shift stop. The only reason I say does or does not is I bought this car with a bunch of parts done to it, pretty much everything that we have, MA Performance intake, NVIDIA N1 catless, or catback exhaust, and the nameless downpipe. And then I got it tuned, put the wheels on it, put the lowering springs on it, and everything like that. But we'll be switching all that out, and so just some of the simpler mods being done are these, and I don't know if the person did it or not. So we will find out when we get to that. Not sure if it'll be this video or next video. So we have the front bumper to basically work on today. We put the front plate delete on from WRX. I plan on getting one that is in the company name, but until then we're gonna run this one, and I'm gonna take off this front bumper. I'm gonna take off this front bumper. It's just easiest to get to the front lip and to do the grill, because I believe it go behind for the grill. So let's just get it going. Can't wait to get the dress up stuff and all the other goodies I'm going to be putting in this engine bay, because this engine bay is disgusting right now. But anyways, let's get this front. Alright, so as you guys can now see, the bumper is off. It kind of just fell off on me, but basically what you have, and I'll show it on this one because this is better, is like a 10 mil right here, 10 mil right there, and then like 2 pop clips all along here. There's a couple more pop clips, and then basically all these holes are just pop clips, and some in the fender well. Most of mine were either missing or broken, but I think I had like 3/4 of them. So yeah, now we're gonna do the grill real quick, which you can see is just a bunch of Phillips heads. So let me take those out. Alright, so as you guys can see, other than it being dirty, which don't mind that, I believe this should be a direct fit. It looks like it should be, but I forgot that I wasn't going to do this until I ordered the new blackout emblems for this grill. But whatever, I'll just order those and get them here. But I didn't like this part, so I just went and bought that part. Unfortunately, that's like $170. By the time it got here, it's like $170. So that is kind of an expensive reason why not to like it, but hey, it's my car, it's what I decided. in the long term, I probably will do this again, which kind of sucks, and I'll buy the carbon fiber grill, which also doesn't have this thick of a piece. It's way thinner. It's all carbon, and it's got the mesh, and I'll get the clip-on or whatever Subaru badge. But until then, I will just run with this one, and I think it looks way cleaner. Should go good with the front lip. So let me pop that one in real quick, and we should be onto the front lip. Alright, so now we're onto the front lip. Flip my bumper kind of on its face to do this, just because it's going to be easiest for me. I don't feel like putting it back on the car and kind of laying on the ground today, so we're just going to install it right here. It's going to be interesting to figure it out, but I'm going to pop the 2 clips in that it comes with. I don't know where I just put them out here. Alright guys, so I just finished it all up. Doesn't look too bad. The front lip is a little questionable, but we'll make it work for now. Like I said, I'm probably going to go to the 18 plus front bumper anyways, and then I'll get a whole new lip. I plan on going carbon fiber lip and carbon fiber accents. So yeah, we're going to take a look at that billet shortstop, or shifter stop, and then I think I'm going to call it a day. So that's your look. I'll link all the products down below. Alright guys, so under here we're going to do the shifter stop. Not exactly sure how all this comes up, so hopefully I don't break anything, but I believe you just have to pry this piece up. I should probably watch a video on this, but screw it. And then I know the shifter does this unscrews, and I probably could just look from right here. So it looks like there's 2 screws. I don't think you guys can see that too well because this is in the way. I don't know how to take this off, so just give me a second. Alright, so hopefully that's a better view. Basically we're going to take, there's a screw right here, there's another, technically a shifter stop right there. We're going to take those out, and then we're going to put in the billet works. I got it in red, there's a couple different colors of it. And then we're going to put it in on this side with these new Allen wrenches. I have to go grab an Allen wrench real quick because I forgot, and my socket. If you are going to be installing the billet works shifter stop, it is a 5mm Allen wrench. I believe that's what I just grabbed. Yeah, 5mm Allen wrench. Once you get these 2 bolts undone, and then you'll be able to put it in. You just want to put this down snug, not tight. Literally just enough that it's kind of in place. We'll be have to shifting it around to make sure it's in the exact spot. It's got a little slot in it to kind of set it up for your own personal desires. So we'll see how we can set it up. So if you put it in 5th, third, 1st, I think that should be good. It's a little difficult to match both of them up to get them in the right spot, but if you can figure it out, I'm doing pretty good. So I pretty much have mine set up so that you can go right against it and then go up into whatever gear, 1st, 5th. 5th's right there, 6th right there, reverse is right there, 3rd, 4th, 2nd, 1st. Should be good to go. So I'm just gonna give it one more crank down. I was able to get the boot off. It was pretty simple once I figured out what the heck I was doing. Surprisingly, I've never taken this apart. I really hate working on interiors, but sometimes you just gotta do what you gotta do. I think that's pretty good. So